Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to create custom permissions for users to access bulk links and bulk sends in BoldSign. With the custom permissions feature in BoldSign, you can easily grant access to bulk links and bulk send documents across teams. This feature enables account admins to define specific access rights for team members, allowing them to view, manage, or edit resources created by other teams. Custom permissions are designed to ensure a secure and well-organized collaborative workflow. By customizing access, admins can maintain control over sensitive documents while streamlining teamwork between departments. Whether for cross-team projects or delegating specific tasks, this feature ensures that users have the proper access to the right resources when needed. Imagine a scenario where an HR manager oversees multiple teams during an annual employee evaluation process. The HR manager needs Sarah, a member of the HR operations team, to assist with managing evaluation-related documents created by the recruitment team. The HR manager can use BoldSign's custom permissions feature to grant Sarah access to the recruitment team's bulk send documents and bulk links. This ensures Sarah can efficiently manage these resources without compromising security or organizational workflows. Let me show you how to do this. First, let's check Sarah's BoldSign account. When I expand the bulk link section, no bulk links are available in sections such as My Bulk Link, Draft, and Trash, indicating that she currently has no access to these resources. In short, this user has not interacted with any bulk link. Similarly, for bulk send, when I expand the bulk send section, there are no entries. This confirms that Sarah doesn't have access to the recruitment team's bulk send documents or links. Next, I'll access the BoldSign application page of the HR manager, the account admin side, to create custom permissions. Here I expand the Users and Teams menu and choose Custom Permissions to navigate to the Custom Permissions page. A list of all the previously created custom permissions is displayed. Next, I need to create custom permissions to allow Sarah to access the bulk link and bulk send from the recruitment team. I click the New Custom Permissions button. In the New Custom Permissions dialog box, I select Sarah from the User field and leave Teams as the entity type for which custom permissions can be configured. Next, I choose the recruitment team from the Select Teams field as the team containing the required resources. I move to the Resources and Permissions section, where I select Access Permissions for the resources available within the chosen team. The four resources are Document, Templates, Bulk Link, and Bulk Send, each with its permission options displayed. Back to our scenario, the HR manager wants Sarah to edit, delete, view metadata, and view permissions for both the bulk link and bulk send for the design team. First, I select the bulk link section and enable the required permissions. I repeat the process for bulk send. When done, I move to the Access Type section and select Allow to grant the required permissions to the designated user. I then click the Save button, and custom permissions for bulk link and bulk send are successfully added. You can also delete the recently created custom permissions. To remove a member's access, select the Delete button and confirm by clicking Yes. Alternatively, to deny access, create a custom permission similar to the one you want to modify. Select the Deny option under Access Type, and then click Save. Next, let's switch to Sarah's BoldSign account and verify whether she can access the recruitment team's bulk links and send documents in bulk. Starting with bulk links, when I expand the bulk link menu, an additional option called Team Bulk Link is displayed. When I click Team Bulk Link, I navigate to a page showing bulk link documents created by recruitment team members. Let's confirm the permissions. I hover over a bulk link and click the Context menu. From here, Sarah can view the overview of this bulk link, view the bulk link document, pin the bulk link to the dashboard for easy tracking and access, clone the bulk link, and even delete it. I can manage these bulk links based on the permissions granted. Let's move on to bulk send. When I expand the bulk send menu, similar to the bulk link section, an additional option called Team Bulk Send is displayed. When I click it, I am navigated to the Team Bulk Send page. Here Sarah can access bulk send documents created by the recruitment team. Let's verify the permissions. When I locate and click the context menu of any uncompleted bulk send, a list of options opens. From these options, Sarah can revoke the bulk send documents, send reminders to unsigned bulk send documents, export signer details to a CSV file, download completed documents, and delete the bulk send documents, ensuring the HR team's processes run smoothly. That summarizes how to allow a user to access other teams' bulk links and bulk send documents. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.